Masquera saying Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kikutanka kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingwa garo ka subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Mure Zimbabwe, takwigirai nyaya buritswa na the United Kingdom based Zimbabwean lawyer and political commentator wa Brighton Mutebuka na Wabuda Machiti, President Emerson Mnangagwa spokesperson akakonfirma kuti the former citizens coalition for change President Nelson Chamisa Akaramba kubribwa na President Emerson Mnangagwa. Mutebuka akabuda achiresponda to a statement angayabuditswa na George Charamba through one of his ex-handles iyo yakanzi Donza Msoro 007. Charamba akabuda chitora iye achiti Chamisa akatena down an offer of leader of the opposition in parliament since it was an elevated national status, but akairamba akabuda achitaura pa X endo yake akanzi what can't Chamisa cannot be available as a national leader, he can only be available as a partisan partyless leader. The reason is simple: he turned down the offer of leader of the opposition in parliament itself an elevated national status. Zvimwe zvese rangova drama zvaro. Mutebuka akabuda achireply to this statement achitaura iye achiti this statement by George Charamba inoconfirma kuti Chamisa akaramba kubribwa by bread pieces. Kabuda achiti muzukuru confirms that Nelson Chamisa rebuffed trinkets from the regime. Kabuda zvakare achiti achiwedzera achiti proved kuti Chamisa is very principled. Mare Zimbabwe Kabuda achiti is principled and beyond being corrupted unlike the rest. There is no elevation which trumps the people's sovereign will achieved in a free and fair election. Only the unelectable settle for trinkets. Those are Kabuda achitaura Mare Zimbabwe Brighton Mutebuka achitaura achiti the reason why ana Douglas Munzora accept this offer was because vakaona kuti vanga vasina chance yekuti vaikwanisa kuzopinda paupresident since but Chamisa akaratidza kuti is principled anomira nemazimbabweans. Iye Chamisa akabuda achikonfirma nyaya iyi achitaura achiti they tried approach achida kumubribe vakataura ivo vachiti they were going to give him motorcade nemari muri Zimbabwe, but iye akataura achiti no, he will stand with the people. Akaramba kubribwa muri Zimbabwe. Akaendera mberi Brighton Mutebuka achiresponda to George Charamba akataura achiti muzukuru, the people's will is sovereign. Grabbing power via sham elections creates illegitimacy. Offering Chamisa a leader of the opposition post doesn't sanitize that illegitimacy. Not even the passage of time sanitizes it. That post is a trinket in a competition authoritarian environment, as it is meaningless to a potential winner of an election. In fact, it's an insult not only to Chamisa but to the electorate as well. There can be no doubt that Sabe Tsvangirai's decision to accept the Prime Minister's post in GNU government after being bludgeoned into submission following his electoral triumph was a monumental error of judgment and the beginning of the end. That position was a trinket, as he was a junior partner and wielded no real power or authority despite being the victor in the election. It was the beginning of the end for him and his movement. It has clearly served as a learning episode for Chamisa and will stand him in good stead via retaining an untainted political legacy and currency. There hasn't been a split Muzukuru. The passage of time has disclosed even to the most politically undiscerning that you have successfully captured Nuve, Shabangu, Doink and others and fashioned this as a split. Whether Chamisa is a monk or not is irrelevant. What you can't ignore is the principled stand that he has consistently taken. And yes, don't make empty threats, go for it. if you have got evidence, and his duplicity, as the public deserves to know. Go for it if you've got evidence of his publicity, as the public deserves to know any such deeds. Yet we all know that if you really had it, you would have gone for the jugular by now. Have you ever needed any invitation to unleash such? Genuine and democratic power and positions are derived from free and fair elections via the sovereign will of the people, not from authoritarianism. Conclusion: as I have always reminded you, Muzukuru, we are all mortals. Our Shona elders, in their infinite wisdom, have always cancelled that Chisingaperi Chinoshura. It's all been seen before, but in the moment it appears like an immovable force of nature. Buddha chitaurwa na Brighton Mutebuka chitaura ya achiti kwa kusiri ku elevator Nelson Chamisa kumupa an offer yekuva the leader of the opposition in parliament zvinzi kwanga kutori kutomudzikisira zvinzi nekuti munhu anodiwa nevanhu and ari maprospects ekuti anokwanisa kutoita president kana kurunzi paitwa a free and fair election. Tisingazive kuti munoionawo sei nyaya iyi muri Zimbabwe, kuti was it a good deal kuti Nelson Chamisa atore this post kana kuti he is the next leader wenyika yeZimbabwe? Tiudzei zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.
Hatina kupinda politics for money, hatina kupinda politics for mari, hatina kupinda politics for positions, hatina kupinda politics for parliament seats. Takapinda politics to change the lives of the people of Zimbabwe. Vanoda kuenda endai, vanoda mari itai zvemari, vanoda zvigaro itai zvezvigaro, isu tinoita zveugaro hwevanhu. Vakauya Chamisa uya kuita opposition leader, tokupa mota kit, tokupa my bodyguards. Because for me, that is meaningless. Life is more than wealth. Life is more than money. Life is about a legacy. Life is about service ya unoita kuvanhu vaunogara navo nevaunotungamirira. That's why we are prepared. And ndakataura makomrades atinawo. Vamama, tikasara tisina chinhu nevasikana. Ngatisare tine vanhu. Kana vanhu vanesu, we will ultimately go kwatinofana kuenda. People. Hatina kupinda politics for money, hatina kupinda politics for mari, hatina kupinda politics for positions, hatina kupinda politics for parliament seats. Takapinda politics to change the lives of the people of Zimbabwe. Vanoda kuenda endai, vanoda mari itai zvemari, vanoda zvigaro itai zvezvigaro, isu tinoita zveugaro hwevanhu. Vakauya Chamisa uya kuita opposition leader, tokupa mota kit, tokupa my bodyguards. Because for me, that is meaningless. Life is more than wealth. Life is more than money. Life is about a legacy. Life is about service ya unoita kuvanhu vaunogara navo nevaunotungamirira. That's why we are prepared. And ndakataura makomrades atinawo. Vamama, tikasara tisina chinhu nevasikana. Ngatisare tine vanhu. Kana vanhu vanesu, we will ultimately go kwatinofana kuenda.